Is there, so I pray for 2 weeks time. I will put others.
Health informed. Health has been informed.
Yes.
Sri G. N. Saheola, learned senior counsel, has submitted that there are certain developments in the matter, and he accordingly prays for some time. Para. Also heard Sri D. P. Bora, learned standing counsel, health department. Para. Matter is accordingly adjourned to be listed on. We'll have it on 10th of August. Is it okay? 10/8.
May I mention item number 6, my lords.
6.
Item number 6.
Mr. Counsel, there is some decorum to be maintained. You have to come in your turn. There are senior people. Okay? Yes.
I'm responding in this case also.
No, you respondent. Okay. Yes, Mr.
Yes, I am free for listing of 2 orders matter mail. To review for the first time mail.
Orders for what?
Review mail.
Review.
Review.
Okay, review.
On Friday mail.
Okay. Yes, Mr. Sharma, what is it? Oh, yes, Mr. Upadhyay, yes. What
May I
is it?
please?
Yes,
Item 24 to 27, your lordship.
yes,
There are 7 cases similar matter,
yes.
but only the 4 is listed today, your lordship. Other 3 years are there. So the matter may be listed.
There are a few more cases.
Yes.
Mr. Chakraborty, you are for whom?
Private respondent.
In all the matters.
Ultimatums.
Okay. Both Sri N. Upadhyay and Sri Learned Counsel for the petitioner and Sri S. Chakraborty, Learned Counsel for the private respondent, have jointly submitted that there are few other connected matters which have not been listed, comma, the list of which has been given. Correct? List along with list along with so and so on. Which date?
Yes, this is the list.
When?
And the first week of
A
August.
list along with so and so. List to along with so and so on 3rd of August.
3rd of August. Interim order is there. Your lordship.
Interim order passed earlier. Stands extended till the next date of listing.
Obliged.
Yes.
Lordship, may I please 4th of August, Lordship.
For fourth.
Or 5th, Lordship.
4th to 5th.
5th.
5th. Yes. Not
May it
4th.
please, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 55 of supplementary list, Lordship.
55. Yes.
Lordship, affidavit in reply has been filed today, Lordship. Lordship, brief is yet to bring into court file, Lordship. Matter may be come
Item number 55.
55.
You are for whom?
from petitioner, Lordship.
You have filed your reply affidavit.
I have received it, madam.
You have filed your rejoinder affidavit.
Lord,
Okay. When do you want? Friday?
Lordship.
Okay. Sri A. Sharma, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, has informed that the rejoinder affidavit has been filed today, which I have today also heard Sri S. Bora, Learned Standing Counsel, GMC, who has acknowledged receipt of such rejoinder affidavit. Para list on Friday, date, along with the rejoinder affidavit.
Deeply.
Okay.
Item
Yes.
number 6.
Item number.
For the petitioner, Lordship.
I'm appearing for the respondent All India Limited in this matter. They're seeking time.
Seeking time.
Why are you seeking time?
Sir, some further developments have been there between the parties, and there have been many litigations that have happened thereafter.
Okay. The
So we
Learned
want to bring
Counsel.
on further.
What is your name?
Anurag Das.
A. Das.
Yes, Adas.
You are not on record?
It's there on Wakalatnama.
On behalf of whom?
On behalf of petitioner.
No, who's your leading counsel?
Leading counsel.
Other B. Chaudhary, Vidayuti Chaudhary. And
Sri A. Das, Learned Counsel, appearing on instruction of Sri B.D. Chaudhary, has informed this court that there are certain developments in the matter, and therefore he prays for time. Para also heard Sri A. Sharma, Learned Standing Counsel, Oil India Limited. Who's for the private respondents? Name? As well as Sri B. Sohri, Learned Counsel for respondent number 4. Para. Matter is accordingly adjourned to be listed on 5th of August.
Lordship, any just without giving any time, maybe listed after 4 weeks.
No, it's not like that.
We
You
have
have
to
to
give
use-
it possible.
Um,
Some date after
Today
12
is 20th. We'll have it 1, 2, we'll have it on 10th of August.
10th of August.
10th of August.
10 August.
Blessed.
Oblige, Your Lordship.
Yes. Yes, Mr.
May it please your lordship, I beg to mention item number 12 of the daily list with the consent of the other side, your
Mm,
lordship.
mm.
We seek some time to file our affidavit in reply in this matter, your lordship.
Item 12.
Lordship.
Oh, a friend reply. When was the affidavit filed?
Lordship in March, lordship.
March. 18 matter.
Lordship.
No adjournment. Let it reach. Sorry. Yes.
Wait, I beg to mention item number 32.
32.
32 lordship. My senior Mr. S. Bottom, he couldn't attend the court today because due to his fever, lordship. And the matter may kindly be listed.
Fever or football fever?
No, lordship.
Actual fever.
Actual fever, lordship.
Not World Cup fever.
No, lordship. Lordship, the matter may kindly be listed along with WPC number 913 of 2020. See.
Okay. A prayer for adjournment has been made on behalf of Sri S. Bothakur, Learned Senior Counsel for the petitioner. It is Sri Bora, the Learned Counsel, has also informed that WPC
Number 913 of 2020.
913 of
26.
is connected. Full stop. Para. Other side informed.
Lordship, we have
When do you want
Lordship, next week.
list along with so and so on 27th of July?
Lordship.
Along with 913, huh? Dekhi ba, huh? 27 July. 913 of 2026. Okay.
Much obliged.
Yes.
I beg to mention item number 31, my lord.
31.
31, my lord. It is possibly it's become infectious, my lord. The tender period was 30th June, my lord. That is over, my lord.
Okay. Sri A.K. Azad, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, has submitted that the challenge was with regard to a settlement,
My lord.
the tenure of which is over, and therefore the matter has there, and therefore there is no live cause of action to be adjudicated. Para. Also heard Sri. Where is Mr. Dotto? Also heard Sri S. Dotto, Learned Standing Counsel, PNRD, as well as Sri M. Chetia, Learned State Counsel. Para. Writ petition is accordingly dismissed as infructuous. Yes.
No.
Yes, madam.
Senior matter lordship on Friday.
Fresh matter.
Fresh, no, not fresh lordship.
Then?
16,
Matter of which year?
23 lordship.
23. Okay. What is the matter?
It's about illegal bank transaction lordship.
Okay. Friday, 23 matter.
Okay.
May I please, your lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention for listing of a fresh matter on Wednesday, your lordship.
Okay.
My lord, I beg to mention item number 16, my lord.
1-6.
My lord,
Yes.
I am supposed to file my reply affidavit to the affidavit filed by the railways, my lord.
Hmm.
2 days time required, my lord. I have taken consent from Harish Gupta, my lord.
16.
1/6, my lord.
Okay. On a request by Sri H.K. Sharma, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, matter is adjourned by a week to file affidavit in opposition. Affidavit to file rejoinder affidavit. List on. No, don't say we'll praise for a couple of days. Will come. List on. We'll have it on Friday.
My lord, from 10 to 14 any date, my lord. This week, my lord, a bit.
Huh?
10th of August to 14, my lord, that week. Any
No, this Friday.
This Friday, my lord, a bit difficult, my lord.
You said 2 days time.
No, I will be filing, but I'm D. Senapati would be out of.
27th.
A bit, my lord, Harish Gupta would not be there. Therefore, my
Then
lord,
when do you want?
10 to 14, my lord, both of them would be there, my lord. Okay.
Then don't say a couple of days. Will come here.
1 week time, my lord.
Promoted into a list on 10th of August.
My lord, much obliged. My lord, there is an interim, my lord.
Interim order passed earlier stands extended till the next date of listing.
Much obliged.
Yes.
Please, your lordship. My lord, I beg to mention item number 14.
1-4.
14.
Yes.
The affidavit in reply has been filed today. And the other side also made a call. They have got some medical urgency also.
Hmm.
So let the matter be listed. Is there?
The affidavit has been tagged with the records.
No. Today filed.
Okay. Sri J. Abedin, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, has informed about filing of rejoinder affidavit today, which however is yet to be tagged with the records. Para. Also heard APDCL. Your name? C. Paul. I also heard Sri C. Paul, learned counsel appearing for the APDCL para. Matter accordingly stands adjourned to be listed on next Friday, next Monday.
Next, my lord, we can finish it off if possible next Tuesday.
What is the issue about?
It's regarding the commission bill of the franchisee.
Okay, on the
Tuesday or Thursday.
on 28 July 28,
Deeply obliged.
along with the affidavit.
Deeply
Wait,
obliged.
is it Lordship?
Yes.
I'm praying for listing of a press matter for tomorrow, Lordship.
Tomorrow, what urgency have got? Why tomorrow?
Lordship, matter pertaining to settlement of temporary settlement of market, Lordship, without inviting tenders, Lordship.
Have it on Wednesday?
Yes, please.
Unless you say that there is grave urgency. We don't find the grave urgency. Wednesday.
Item 40,
Item
40,
43,
40, 40, 40.
40.
Kindly be adjourned for 3 weeks.
Contempt matter. You are for whom?
Petition.
Why are you seeking adjournment?
My senior engaged another.
Engaged where? Before the matter is called, he's engaged somewhere. Matter is yet to be called. What difficulty do you have? If you make a mention, there has to be some reason for adjourning. How do you know that he'll be engaged when the matter will be called upon? Not now. Let it reach. Yes.
Yeah, please, Your Lordship. I beg to mention item number 4 of daily list, Your Lordship.
Yes.
The learned counsel has been recently engaged and hence the wakalatnama has been filed belatedly and the name has not been shown up in the record and also in the wakalatnama. The matter may be,
You are on. You have entered appearance.
yes,
What is your name?
T. Ramsiari. For,
Along with whom? Along with your
Deep-
colleagues?
for Deepjyoti Deka, D. Deka.
Okay. Ms. T. Ramsiari, learned counsel, has informed this court that though the petitioner had appeared in person, comma, subsequently, he has engaged a counsel, bracket, D. Deka,
D. Deka.
DJ Deka, D. Deka. Full stop. A counsel who has filed wakalatnama. D. Deka, bracket, who has filed. Have you informed the ESIC, Mr. Smith?
M. Smith. M. Smith.
Have you informed him?
Yes, yes.
Um,
Yes, Your Lord.
in view of the above, we will have it on Friday?
Uh,
Friday or Wednesday?
yes, yes. Friday.
Accordingly, matter is adjourned to be listed on 24th of July, 2026. Name of the learned counsel be reflected in the cause list.
Obliged. Your Lord.
1 and 44, my lord. Complied.
Complied.
Matter.
Okay.
44 also.
You are also in 44, Mr. Hussain.
My lord.
Heard Sri A.K. Hussain, learned counsel for the petitioner who has filed this case alleging willful and deliberate disobedience of an order dated 17/10/2025 passed in WPC 4073 of 2025. Also heard Sri D. Nath, learned counsel for the sole respondent para. Both the learned counsel has submitted that during the pendency of this case, comma, the order in question has been complied with para. In view of the aforesaid development, comma, this court is of the opinion that there is no requirement to proceed any further and accordingly the matter is closed. Second to khali WPC aru order date naam to bodlai diba.
Order dated is same, madam.
Order is same date WPC ho 4265 of 2025. Okay. Okay.
Hello.
Next item number
44.
44. Dekhi sir.
Hello.
My lord, contempt matter. Non-compliance of order dated 24/11/2025 at page 11
Operative party is at page 6, page 12, para 6. It is regarding non-payment of contractual bill, my lord.
The direction was given to whom?
Directed to verify to respond number
Direction was given to whom?
to 3, 4, and 5. That is District Commissioner, BTC, ADC, and Finance, my lord.
But why have you made the respond number 1 a party?
My lord, because whenever we have approached, so they have said that we have to approach the respondent number 1.
No, there is no direction as such.
There is no direction, definitely, my
You
lord.
cannot make him a party. Your direction is to.
And direction was also to
three-
the respondent number 2 also. At
Where?
page 13.
The said verify completed and certificate copy please tell me, sir. Said verify completed. Who is 2?
Or BTC represented by Principal Secretary, my lord.
So 2. So why have you made the Home Commissioner a party?
My lord, that may be strike up.
Heard 3 BM Deca, Learned Counsel, for the petitioner who has complained of willful and deliberate disobedience of the order dated 24/11/2025 passed in WPC 3517 of 2025. The Learned Counsel has also referred to the representations submitted requesting for compliance of the order in question. This court has, however, noticed that the direction was issued to the respondent numbers 3, 4, and 5, and subsequently, one direction is also for the respondent number 2. Full stop. Consequently, comma, while notice is issued, comma, it is no, it should consequently issue notice returnable on 17th of, not 17th, 17th of August 2026. At this stage, notice is not required to be sent to the respondent number 1, as no direction was issued to him by the aforesaid order. That steps be taken for service of notice upon the respondent numbers 2, TO2, 2 to 5 by speed post with AD within 2 days.
Much obliged, my lord.
Yes, what is?
Lordship, before the learned will start, your lordship, I have not yet received the pair-wise comment. I seek some more time, your lordship.
This is the motion stage.
Yes.
We'll issue notice of motion.
Your Lordship, there is my one request. I have already represented before them and there is no reply of that representation pending since
What is the matter, madam?
matter regarding the part payment. They have paid the part of the payment which has been given to the IRCTC by the petitioner. Page 119, Your Lordship kindly have. Annex 3. Made.
What is your name, madam?
Shikha Singh, SHIKHA SINGH.
Heard Miss S. Singh, Learned Counsel. You're not on record.
No, I am from Allahabad. I am not here.
Hmm?
My name has not been shown. She is
Okay,
the local counsel.
okay. You have your name recorded, file in Okalatama, it will be better.
I have filed your
You have
lordship.
filed already,
Yes,
okay.
but my name has not.
Okay, doesn't matter. Heard Miss S. Singh, learned counsel for the petitioner, who is aggrieved by non-release of certain amounts said to have been entitled to in view of certain works done with the railways, full stop. It is also submitted that the amount is admitted, is an forms a part of the admitted dues. And there are earlier orders of this court for release of the same para. Which is that writ petition, earlier writ petition?
No, there is no earlier writ
But
petition.
why have you stated?
No, 119, the letter of the petitioner, your lordship. He has represented because they have paid.
No, madam. In your synopsis, you have said petitioners have failed to interpret a clear finding of the High Court.
No,
Which is
that-
this?
That has been given. I have cited the judgment. Ki
Of-
how
Of
how-
which judgment?
judgment of the, your lordship. There is 3 judgments because
Page
page number 17, internal part of the writ petition,
17.
para 16. ABL International covers this, my case, your lordship. Unitech Limited,
Are you required to cite judgments and pleadings?
because
Are you required to cite judgments and
because
pleadings?
this is the matter regarding the payment, your lordship. And
Understood. Are you required to cite judgments as a part of the pleadings?
Sorry, your lordship.
Not required. You can place judgments. You can plead the facts and the law, whatever is connected, but okay, last to kine likhibo. Last to ki asile? ঠিক আছে তাৰপিছত না earlier dues full stop. It is the Land Council has submitted that the settled principles of law in the field have been wrongly interpreted by the respondents. Para. Let notice be issued. Para. Mr. Singh for all.
Respondent number 2, 3, 5, and 6.
Who is one? Sri S. Roy Leonard CGC accepts notice on behalf of respondent number 1, whereas Sri I. Singh, Leonard Council, you are standing counsel or what? Standing counsel. Standing counsel accepts notice on behalf of respondent numbers 2, 3.
5, and 6.
What about 4? Chief Commercial Inspector, I think you can take.
Railway.
Railway.
You will
Railway,
take, gotcha. Then SS Roy for 1 and 4, and 2, 3, 5, and 6 by him. Let extra copies be served on the Learned Council for the respondents by tomorrow.
Your lordship.
We give a returnable list on, returnable question to, list on. Yes, madam, when do you want the next date?
August 2nd week.
Second week.
After
Oh,
15th August, your lordship.
after 15th, then it will be third week. We'll have it on 17th, is it okay?
Nine.
17th is okay?
Okay.
17th of August.
Your lordship, if your lordship may please kindly direct them, meanwhile dispose of the representation.
Pendency of this writ petition shall not be a bar for consideration and disposal of the representation in accordance with law.
Deeply, please. Much obliged.
Item 5.
Yes,
May I please?
yes.
There is a notification, your lordship. October 2nd one is given, it is already. The Industrial Relation Court come into force from 21st day of November 2025.
21st day of November 2025. Your reference is of which date?
24.
So will it be applicable?
This is not applicable.
So but the learned tribunal has applied this code. We have not taken even taken this point. That is what we are asking. Code has been applied.
Yes.
There is a clear stipulation in the new code that will come into effect after publication in the official gazette.
Yes.
Now we have produced a gazette which says that it is published on 21st day of November 2025. Reference is of a prior date.
Yes. Prior.
Prior date. What about the transitional matters? How will it be governed? Is there anything in the code, new code, regarding transitional matters?
That's maybe governed by the earlier.
No. Is there any, suppose there in the new Land Acquisition Act 2013, how transitional matters are to be governed, it is stipulated. Is there any stipulation in this code of 2020 regarding pending matters?
The cause of action.
Mr. Sayola,
Yes.
in this Industrial Relations Code 2020, we are asking as an amicus, for transitional matters, how will it be governed? Because this code comes into operation after publication in the official gazette, that is November in 2025. His reference has started prior to that in 2024. So it will be governed by the 1947 Act or 1920 Act. Is there any transitional, is there any provision in the code? How will it be governed? Kindly just look into it. We'll have it on Wednesday. If that is not done, then it'll be, you have a very good case. Tribunal has gone ahead with the 2020
Yes.
code, which perhaps will not be applicable even.
It is not applicable.
No, we do not know. Mr. Chakraborty, any idea? Matter, you do labor matters?
There's a direction from, I think, Chennai High Court that all pending matters will be governed by the 47 Act till the rules comes. The rule is not there.
Rules have not. No.
That is 25.
No, that will be for a prospective operation.
No.
We are on a matter which the reference had started even prior to the notification of November 2025. That means the act as code as such had not come into operation.
No.
Your part is a different matter. Rules have to be framed. They're only a new matter.
New matter.
Now for old matter. Old matter perhaps.
If we take the president of this BNSS, there also all pending cases are directed to be.
No, unless that is why, unless there is a specific provision in the new code
In the code.
of the transitional matters.
I don't think, because I have also confirmed nothing is there.
Kindly go through it once.
Yes.
We'll also miss, both of you, just have a, we can have it on Wednesday. Then we will have a very good case.
Yes.
2020 could not have been put into operation.
Yeah.
Name may be shown, my lord, so that I can.
We're just asking you, day after tomorrow, just have a look.
Yes.
You can inform our court master also, no
Yes.
problem, okay? Sri Upadhyay, the learned counsel for the petitioner, has placed before this court gazette notification dated 21/11/2025 with regard to published under section 1 within bracket 3 of the Industrial Relations Code 2020, full stop. Apparently, the reference in the instant case was initiated by the notification dated 29/8/2024, i.e. prior to the publication of the said gazette notification. Full stop. Sri Upadhyay, the learned counsel, prays for some time to go through the provisions of the act. Go through the act to examine if any provision exists with regard to matters on transitional stage. Matters which had started, the reference of which had started prior to the gazette notification. List on Wednesday.
Yes. Well, this is also again, my lord, blacklisting and debarment of the, my lord,
Health
without.
Health Department.
Clear contract.
Health Department.
Health department. Notice.
Hmm?
Notice.
Notice given or not?
Not notice.
No notice.
That notice was given, my lord.
But
His
still,
only contention is that the rate contract has not been cancelled and directly he has been debarred, my lord.
That is,
Notice was issued for debarment, my lord.
now if you find fault with him,
Yes, my lord.
then first thing is the cancellation or
yes.
offloading, whatever. You have not done that.
Yes.
So you have primarily you have not found fault with him.
My lord. That is, my lord, many judgments.
Lord, he has caused delay in supplying the materials. There was inordinate delay and there are several notices issued in that regard. We have
Okay.
responded to
Heard Sri G and
that. He
Sahel
was
learned.
granted extension also, my lord.
Okay, and I heard Sri G and Sahel learned Senate Council, assisted by what is your name? A.R. Pal for the petitioner, who is aggrieved by an order of debarment wide notice dated 13/11/2025. Puts up the primary contention of the petitioner is that without cancellation
Of the rate contract.
of the rate contract in connection with which the debarment action has been taken, comma, such notice, the impugned notice would not be sustainable. Para, let notice be issued, returnable on, yes, when, Mr. Bora?
But feels, my lord.
On 7th of August, is it okay? You come back by 7th of August.
My lord, similar matter has been fixed on 14th.
14th, we'll have it on 14th, on 14th of
Yes.
August 2026. Re DP Bora, learned standing council, health department accepts notice on behalf of all the respondents. Let extra copies, huh?
My lord.
List along with
WPC number 3672.
3672.
For the
Right.
That please.
Yes.
In this matter, for respondent number 8, the settlement holder, I have instructions to appear, though the power has not reached me till now. So if
Wednesday?
Lordship,
Wednesday?
it pleases your lordship.
Wednesday?
Wednesday.
Okay.
I've just received the instructions. to
Okay, you
appear.
file the power by tomorrow
During the
or
course of the day, I'm going to
okay.
print, Lordship.
Okay. What settlement?
Pay the settlement, Lordship.
He
Very-
will appear if my appear, my lord. Today, if he appear, my lord, no problem, my lord. Easy.
The only thing is, I leave it to your lordship. I do not have the wakalatnama, but then my instructions.
See,
are not
respondent appearing without a wakalatnama is slightly
Yes,
difficult.
that's why.
For the petitioner, somebody on your behalf appearing, no problem. And it is the first date.
As it is, the order is of 14/7. So the order has already in existence that he is challenging. So even of Wednesday, if your lordship takes it up.
Or if you file it today, tomorrow also we can have, madam? Tomorrow?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow, okay.
Today I'll
Tomorrow.
get my wakalat.
Okay.
Tomorrow.
Heard Sri N. Bora, learned counsel for the petitioner, as well as Miss M.D. Bora, learned standing counsel, IWT. Para, Sri A. Sharma, learned counsel,
For respondent number 8.
has
Lordship.
however submitted that he has instructions to appear on behalf of the respondent number 8 and would be filed the power during the course of the day. Para, let such power be filed and the matter, power be filed, para, since urgency has been expressed, list for motion tomorrow
Yes, sir.
by reflecting the names of the learned counsel for the parties
Much.
Oblige, your lordship.
in the cause list.
My lord, before I begin, I've been told by the respondents that the tender itself has been discharged. So in that case, my lord,
You
there
take
will be fresh
instructions,
bidding.
we can close it then.
My lord, there's no point in pursuing this, my lord, if there is going to be a
Heard.
fresh tender.
Sri B. Pathak, learned counsel for the petitioner, who has approached this court by rejection of the technical bid of the petitioner in connection with a tender number so and so. CE গোটেইখিনি ইয়াতে, so and so. such rejection. Rejection of a technical bid wide email dated, wide email dated 8/7/2026 in connection with Swedish. Sarah? It is contended that no detailed reasons were indicated and a cryptic remark of within inverted comma, not fulfilling technical threshold capacity was reflected. Para? Sri Gupta, learned standing counsel, railways or CGC, learned CGC appearing for the railways has, however, submitted that
The representation was disposed of, my lord,
that the representation submitted by the petitioner
yes, ma'am.
was considered and disposed of, and the tender was also finalized and discharged.
Ma'am.
How come it is so soon? What kind of tender?
No, this is regarding.
This was construction of some railway line and artwork, madam.
What is the meaning of finalized and discharged?
My lord, after considering L1 and L2, my lord, they both were also found to be not eligible.
Discharge
Financial
typically means.
Then your expression
con-
should be in a better, in an understandable
Hello.
manner. It becomes,
No, my lord,
if you say it's finalized,
finalized may lead to discharge also, may lead to award also.
understood, but
That
you
is-
could have had in a very simpler manner, which can be understood by all.
This is.
Yes.
Once you say finalized means,
This
and discharge means work is also over.
Yes.
That is one
Once the
interpretation.
contract is awarded, discharge means the work is completed.
Photo is also confused.
কি করেন, হরি কোন? Finalize the discharge, full stop. By placing the written instructions dated 17/7/2026, comma, Sri Pathak, the learned CGC has submitted that upon evaluation of the bids of the remaining tenderers, comma, none of the bids were found what suitable, and accordingly the contract was discharged. Para, in view of the above, comma,
Tender, my lord, not the
Tender.
contract.
Tender
Tender
was-
was this.
contender was discharged. In view of the above, this court is of the opinion that the present challenge would be mere academic, and therefore the instant petition is closed. This court,
Not this letter may be marked.
yes,
as-
the letter, written instructions dated 17/7/2026 is made part of the records.
Obliged.
May please allow.
Yes, Mr. Bowe.
My lord, missing autonomous council, my lord, issue a 90, my lord,
Hmm.
and pursuant to that, my lord.
Who is for
I
missing
was the-
autonomous council? There is a standing council, I think. S. Bothakur, where is he? S. Bothakur. The name is there. Standing on MSc, yes.
Yes, they are, my-
Names have been reflected,
yes, ma'am.
they are not there. Yes, what is
Yes,
it?
my lord. Please may kindly see page 25, my lord, annexure 2, my lord.
What had happened?
In
Tell
that
us.
one, my lord, pursuant to the, I am the third highest valid bidder, my lord.
There
And
was,
there
there
yes,
is a
my
tender
lord.
process.
Yes, my lord. And there is a, my lord, resolution, please may kindly see page 25, annexure 2, my lord, your lordship.
What is the, for settlement of a market?
Market, the settlement of the market, my lord, in Sampora, Sumboria, Monday market, my lord.
Okay, which district?
The
Lakhimpur.
Lakhimpur district, my lord.
Then what happened?
My lord, please may kindly see pursuant to NIT, my lord, they issued a notification by order dated 15/6/2026, page 25, annexure 2.
Hmm. You had bidded.
Yes, my lord.
Then?
I am the, my lord, there is a, my lord, resolution, may I read, my lord, page 20, 5, my lord. In person to NIT dated so and so and resolution adopted by the Revenue Resource Settlement Committee of MAC, comparative statement has been prepared against 66 number Hat Bazar out of so and so. The committee has revealed that as per existing rules of MAC, the highest bidder has to deposit the bid amount to one single installment within 3 days from the date of his publication, failing which his or her bid will be rejected and H2 bidder will be become eligible. The H2 bidder shall also deposit his or her bid amount in one single installment within 3 days, failing which H3 bidder may be considered by the authority, my lord. Pursuant to that, my lord, your lordship, page 25 and serial number 67, my lord. My lord, there is a my lord 6 tender. One of my lord, his one bidder was directed to deposit the money. He did not come, and thereafter H2 bidders was
What is your
directed.
position?
Yes, my lord.
Your position in the
My
bid?
the H3, my lord, my lord.
H3.
My lord. Now, my lord, H2 and H3 not declined to come, my lord, and they have to call me, my lord, and I file representation to deposit the money. But in spite of that, one disqualified bidder was directed to collect the revenue, my lord, till today, my lord, without any order. That's why I came before your lordship.
You are ready and willing to deposit the
Yes,
amount?
yes, I file also representation, your lordship.
Within 3 days?
Within 3 days. Page next 33, page 33, my lord.
You can get the MSc council?
My lord.
Yes,
Without any order, my lord, disqualified responsible is a disqualified, and he has a lowest bidder, but he has a direct, my lord, allow him without order to collect the revenue, my lord. That's why I came before lords.
What is the date of the order?
Date order 15/6/2026.
You're late in coming.
No, this is the notification. These are the all 66 one, and they did not issue any order, formal order. But my lord, they did not, my lord. My representation clearly stated in his everything, my lord.
Then who do the collection?
My lord, as for number 7, who is the disqualified with lowest bidder?
If we pass an interim order,
My lord.
who would make the collection in the interim?
My lord, that is I am the third highest
No,
bidder.
you have not been given the order.
My lord.
First, you have to be given the order. Then you have to deposit the amount you are willing to deposit.
My lord.
We are just thinking about what will happen in the gap period. That is why we are asking.
That order has been.
Can you have the MSc council?
Yes, I am.
We'll have it after a while, Mr. Bora.
My
Please try to have it.
lord.
In that case, we may be able to pass on effective orders.
My lord.
Okay.
Much.
Huh? Good. Oh, Mr. Bothakor, perhaps he is not there. Some matter was mentioned on his behalf. No, his colleague would be there. He is not well. His colleague would be there. Try to have it.
Yes,
Or if that may, we can have it tomorrow or day after also. Try to have the information. Try to get the information. Item number 11.
May I please?
Yes,
My lord,
Mr.
similar matter have been fixed tomorrow, my lord. Other matters, my lord.
What is the matter?
My lord, sealing of petitioner's business premises, my lord.
Oh, that timber matters.
Timber.
Okay. You have got instructions in the other matters.
No, not yet, Lordship. But as per my instruction, the rules, rule 8, he has to get himself registered, Your Lordship. But we are in the.
No, you are insisting of registering. We remember Mr. H.R.A. Chaudhary had
Yes,
moved those
yes.
cases.
But whether any notice was issued to them regarding.
No,
the
that
issue-
is another part.
Okay.
Not registering, panel action, whatever action, but sealing without a notice.
Yes, yes.
That is the other
That
part.
instruction will get. back to
Okay.
Your Lord.
3. AHMR Chaudhary Learned Council has submitted that similar issues, that identical issues have been raised in in a number of writ petitions, including WPC.
My lord, I am giving the number.
Please give to, including WPC, which are slated to be listed tomorrow. Para, accordingly, let this matter be listed tomorrow along with WPC so and so. Sri R.R. Gogoi, Learned Standing Council Forest Department, is present.
Of that.
52 years.
My lord, in this case, lordship petitioner.
Mr. Laskar,
My lord. Purchased betel nuts from Karimganj,
betel nut.
my lord. Now, my lord, page
Then what has happened?
My lord, thereafter, my lord, on 8/11/2025, my lord.
It has been seized.
My lord, seized without any authority, my lord. The petitioner, my lord, kindly have a look, page 30.
You have filed application of 110
My lord,
for release,
my lord,
not considered.
not considered.
Yes, madam.
My lord, page 30.
Okay. Your instructions by 2 weeks. Okay.
My
We'll issue a short notice.
my
Okay.
lord, page 37. My kind.
Betel nuts are procured from where? Burma?
No, my lord. I have also details from the Sribhumi district itself, my lord. And they have seized those documents also, my lord. EUA bill, the transit, the vehicle in which I have booked, my lord. In spite of that, my lord, these are sealed. My
Heard. What about the next case?
next is
Same, similar.
same. And the case number will be different, my lord.
Understood. Okay. Yeah. Alag alag likhna, huh? Heard. Sri J. Laskar, learned counsel for the petitioner who is aggrieved by the seizure of articles within bracket betel nuts. Full stop. It is contended that though an application under section 110 within bracket capital A of the Customs Act was filed seeking provisional release, comma, the same has not been considered till date. Full stop. The seizure itself has been questioned by submitting that the same has been done without any authority of law. Para. Let notice be issued, returnable on, we'll have it on 7th of August. Madam, take instructions, okay? 7th of August. Your name? And Kakoti. Then at council appearing in instruction of Sri S.C. Kyle. Accept notice on behalf of all the respondents.
All the respondents.
Let extra copies be served upon her during the course of the day. Same alag alag, no?
My lord,
Same order in the other one?
lordship, only one of the interim prayer, my lord. Till disposal of the retribution, my lord, seized article may not be destroyed, my lord.
Okay. Sri Laskar, the learned counsel, prays for an interim order to the effect that the seized articles may not be destroyed till the returnable date. Para. Upon hearing the parties and on balance and on balancing the equities, it is provided that till the returnable date, comma, the seized materials are not seized materials are not to be destroyed.
Deeply.
But while they destroy betel nuts,
My lord, I have apprehension, my lord.
they
Because of having all sorts of
they would rather consume
because of having all sorts of
destroying.
documents, my lord, they have seized, my lord.
Where is it seized? Which part?
Seized in Barak Valley, my lord.
Barak Valley, then it will be consumed. 100%.
Obliged.
12, yes. Yes, Mr. Kaushik.
Lordship. Lordship, we have sent the affidavit for vetting, Lordship.
You said it was filed in March.
March, Lordship.
Not March, it was filed in May. So you have some time. You have to file within a week.
Lordship.
Okay. These are old matters. We cannot afford to give you time. Third, the learned counsel for the. You are not on record, Mr.
Lordship, I'm not on the Wakalat Nama.
Okay. Heard so learned counsel appearing on instruction of Dr. A. Saraf, learned senior counsel for the petitioner, who submits that against the affidavit in opposition filed by the respondent number 6, comma, a rejoinder affidavit would be filed, which has been sent for vetting. First up, considering that this matter is pending since the year 2018, comma, a short accommodation is granted to enable filing of such affidavit in opposition. List on 29th of July.
Much obliged, dear Lord.
One three, yes, Mr. Chakraborty.
Lordship, I'm appearing for the workman respondent number 2.
Why is an amicus? Where is Mr. Kyle?
Senior Kyle.
Where is his colleague, Miss Kakoti was there? She was here right now? Yes, madam, sleeping. Your matter, not sleeping, then daydreaming.
Item number 4. Lordship, kindly pass over the matter for time, Lordship.
What is your instruction?
Lordship, I've gone through the records, Lordship.
Now, if Mr. Kyle exists and agrees, then we can have this matter for disposal.
Lordship.
Either not, if not today, then on any other day. You call Mr. Kyle.
Lordship.
15. 15.
So we have filed our affidavit. And on the last occasion, petitioner has sought time to file any position.
For rejoinder.
Yes.
Where is Mr. Sinha? B. Sinha. None appears for the petitioner on call. Whereas HA3, R. Chetri, learned counsel representing the Fisheries Department,
Yes.
representing Sri P. Sharma, standing counsel Fisheries Department, comma, Sri B.U. Laskar, learned counsel for respondent number 5, and Sri M. Chetty, learned state counsel are present, para, Indian interest of justice. Matter is adjourned to be listed on Friday. Date.
Lordship, in item number 18, we have received affidavit. Lordship, we had filed our affidavit, but it has been not come up on the record yet.
Yeah, for whom, madam?
Respondent 2, 4, and 5
2 for, when did you file?
on 18.
18th, okay. Have you received the
No,
copy?
Lordship.
Okay. The learned counsel for the respondent numbers 2, 4, and 5.
I'm on behalf of J.K. Goswami.
Okay. The learned counsel for the respondent numbers 2, 4, and 5
Yes, sir.
has informed that the affidavit in opposition has been filed on 18/7/2026. Full stop. Madam, your S never.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Miss Never, the learned counsel for the petitioner, has acknowledged receipt of such affidavit in opposition, which however is not tagged with the record. पहले बोला कि not tagged with the record, which however is not tagged with the records. Would you like to file rejoinder affidavit? Sri Nevar, the learned counsel, prays for, and is granted 3 weeks time to file the rejoinder affidavit. Full stop. List on 17th of August.
Lordship, item number 17, we have not received.
17 have you filed, madam? Is it same? Issue is the same.
It's related, Your Lordship, from the same tender. One is non-payment and one is.
17, what is your instructions, madam? Would you like to file affidavit?
Take instruction from us.
In the दूसरा में लिखो. The learned counsel for the respondent numbers same 2, 3, and 4.
Yes, Your Lordship, same.
Praise for. Mr. Goswami, one matter you have not filed your affidavit.
Lordship, yes, Lordship. But the main matter, that is.
No, that we have recorded. Will it cover the second matter also?
I will file in another also.
Okay, okay. And क्या लिखा? पहला में भी JK Goswami लिख देना है. So JK Goswami, standing counsel. Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Department renews his prayer for grant of time to file affidavit in opposition. Para? Matter is accordingly adjourned to be listed on same date, huh? But same date to enable filing of affidavit in opposition. These are issues are different.
Issue, the prayers are different.
Okay, so you'll deal with in your affidavit.
Yes, Lordship.
Okay.
I will.
पहला में भी JK Goswami नाम लिख दी.
This matter relates to non-payment of contractor's liability.
Hmm.
My lord, last order was passed by the coordinate bench, my lord, on 10/6, my lord, directing the chief engineer to file a detailed affidavit.
Yes.
See instruction today only, my lord. Affidavit is already ready, my lord.
Okay.
I allowed 1 day time.
Heard Sri G. Rahul, learned counsel for the petitioner. Para. Miss D.S. New, learned training counsel, comma, Education Department submits that the affidavit opposition has been prepared and would be filed shortly. Put stop para. List on today is 20. List on, we'll have it on 31st. Is it okay? 31st of July.
Next matter also.
Same.
Same order maybe.
Okay.
Obliged.
May I please, your lordship?
Yes.
My lord, in this case, the respondent was directed to file affidavit, my lord.
কি পেলাইছে এইবিলাক চেঞ্জ কৰিব চাহ পেলাইছে চাগে কথা কোৱা নাই চেঞ্জ কৰিব গোটেইখিনি লিখি পেলাই নম্বৰবিলাক ৰাখিব লাগিব দেই কিন্তু এবাৰ নকৰে নাই yes Mr. Sen.
By filing this writ petition, my lord, the petition.
Pleadings have been exchanged.
My lord, they are to file affidavit in opposition.
But one opposition has been filed by R4.
R4 is filed, my lord, one is not filed.
Who is R4?
R4 is, my lord, state government.
Yes.
Central government, the
Central government is required to file.
Correct.
Mr. Gogoi, central government. Oh, you are central government, yes. 1811. Yes, it has been filed.
But other day, my lord, on last day, if your lordship kindly see the order, the other side, my lord, took time for filing affidavit.
No, not for filing affidavit. They took adjournment, not for filing
My
affidavit.
lord, I am told, Anuradha Gayan has been engaged, my lord, newly in this case. Earlier, it was conducted by R.K.D. Chaudhary. Now, my lord, she has to file the affidavit. She told me that instruction is yet to come. So, my lord, earlier R.K.D. my lord Chaudhary was appearing as CGSC, my lord.
But pleadings have already been is over. The R1 has filed affidavit.
They have filed, but subsequently when Ms. Gayan has appeared, my lord, she.
No, she can appear, but there is no prayer for filing another affidavit. And is it permissible? It's not permissible.
No,
And you have filed reply.
that is yes.
You have filed reply also.
I have filed, yes. So pleading are complete, my lord.
We can have this for admission hearing whenever you say.
Correct.
When, madam? What is the issue?
Issue, my lord, plaintiff petitioner praying, my lord, for inclusion of his name in the gun manufacturing license issued in the name of his father. My lord, father expired. Thereafter, he has applied before the authorities, that is the state government. State government forwarded it to the central government, my lord. Now, the central government did not act upon it, my lord. Since 2021.
You are in the army.
No, my lord. My father was having a gun
No,
manufacturing
understood.
license.
You are captain something. Are you in the army or where? Where are you posted?
I am not army, my lord.
Then why is your name captain something?
Captain, my lord, I was flying, my lord,
In the Air Force.
In the private airport, private jet, my lord. I was a pilot in the earlier, my lord, it was now Air India. Earlier he was flying, my lord, as a flight.
So what is your cause of action? Why have you come to the court?
Because, my lord, my father was having, my lord, gun manufacturing license.
Manufacturing?
Correct. Manufacturing license situated at Rihavari, my lord. We have stated in our pleadings. Now, father died. After his death, my lord, we have applied for including our being legal heirs, for inclusion of our name in the in the license, my lord. The state government, my lord, they have, we have applied for.
It is
state
allowed.
gov-
You can manufacture guns. Is it allowed?
Yes, my lord.
Under what law?
Under the Arms Act, my lord.
Arms Act. Which act?
I'll satisfy, my lord, that.
No, which act?
National Arms Manufacturing and license number 30, my lord, and East End Arms License.
Yes, what is it, Miss Madam Rava? Is it allowed? Yes, let us have this for admission hearing.
Madam.
When?
Thank you, lordship.
On the pleadings are complete and the learned counsel for the parties are in agreement that the matter can be taken up for disposal at the admission stage. Para, please for admission hearing when? On?
Did.
We'll have it on 4th of August.
4th of August. All right.
Final affidavit. Petition is also not there.
You have filed affidavit.
I have filed my affidavit.
What about the finance department?
Affidavit ready.
Where is Mr. Chaliha? Finance department. None appears for the petitioner on call, whereas Sri N. Upadhyay, Learned Standing Council, Irrigation Department, and Sri M. Chettiar, Learned State Council are present. Para. In the interest of justice, matter is adjourned. They will be listed on Friday next.
Lost.
Friday ka date, huh?
Oblige.
23.
I can pay for respond number 5 also. I paid 2 weeks time to file an affidavit in opposition.
Okay. You have been, you have entered appearance on the last occasion. Why didn't I?
Lordship. So far as the amended cause title is concerned, I have filed that.
Okay. Third, Sri Y. Kothari, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, who has informed that pursuant to the order passed on 24/6/2026 in the IA Civil 2191-2026, amended cause title has been filed. Full stop. Para. Sri A. Barua, Learned Counsel for the newly pleaded respond number 5, praised for and is granted 2 weeks time to file the affidavit in opposition. Others?
We'll file interpret of the day.
Okay.
Today or by tomorrow.
And Mr. Chaudhary?
My lord, I have already filed it. I'm for the
Here for whom?
respondent number 4.
For by such time, affidavit in opposition may also be filed by the state respondent. Here for the state?
Yes, 120.
State respondent. Full stop. Sri N. Chaudhary, Learned Counsel for respondent number 4 has informed that affidavit in opposition has already been filed by his client. That pleadings have already been exchanged between his client and the petitioner.
And Lordship, just certain items were there in my personal office.
Oh.
To that effect, I had made the submission. So the respondent 5 was supposed to come up with instructions regarding that. It was
Yes.
reflected in the order.
Yes.
They had sought for a list. I had also provided the list of items that were there in my personal office.
Yes. What is your instruction, Mr. Barua?
Instruction I have not received till today, lordship, but next day I will place it.
On the next date, this court would also consider the prayer to allow the petitioner to collect his personal belongings, which was recorded in the order dated 24/6/2026. Did you? List on 2 weeks. 27. List on 3rd of August. Exactly 2 weeks. File it.
Okay.
And apart from filing, take instructions on this issue. Filing, we can hear the matter leisurely, but this order we want to pass. Okay, next.
Deeply obliged.
Major Lordship, we become district lordship.
28,
Also, matter will become district lordship.
matter has become
District lordship.
next week. Why?
As what is become feeble.
Okay, you are led by Mr. Bothakur.
Also, we have filed our affidavit.
Okay, you are SM Barua.
Yes, Lordship.
Heard 3 SM Barua. No, don't say heard. 3 SM Barua, Learned Counsel. Praise for Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Praise for some time to accommodate. Praise for some time by submitting that 3S Bothakur, senior counsel who is leading him, is unwell. Para, Ms. MD Bora, Learned Standing Counsel Transport Department has submitted that affidavit in opposition has been filed. Para, a list on Monday next.
Lordship, I am not,
Monday next
as per the seniors.
on 27.
All right.
Okay.
That is, sir. 29. Instructions. What is the matter?
Matter pertains to non-payment of contractual bills amounting to rupees 12 crores 34 lakhs 75,197. We have received some amount, your lordships, 2 crore 20.
Just a minute. They have stated that the commissionerate has already given a fresh proposal for the remaining amount. We grant some time.
Your
Okay.
lordships. We
What
are
is your
awaiting the
name?
payment. AK Jain, lordships.
You are not on record, Mr. Jain.
It is not on record. I am on behalf of Mr. H. Betala.
Heard Sri A.K. Jain, Learned Counsel, appearing on instruction of Sri H. Vitala for the petitioner. Para. Ms. P. Thapa, Learned Counsel, appearing on instruction of Sri S. Datta, Learned Standing Counsel PNRD, has placed before this court written instructions as per which, comma, an amount of rupees 2, 24, 29, 000 within bracket rupees 2 crore 24 lakhs 29,000 has been released to the petitioner, and for the remaining amount, comma, the commissionerate of Panchayat and Rural Development has proposed for allocation of funds. Put subsidy accordingly placed for some time, para, in view of the aforesaid development, comma, matter is adjourned to be listed after 6 weeks. Put stop. List on, we give a date. List on 2024 on the on the 7th of September.
Lordships.
The copy of the written instructions dated 27/20/26 is made part of the records.
Lordships. Lordship, the amount disbursed was 2 crore 20 lakhs 64,646.
They have said 2 crore 24, 29.
2 crore 20 lakhs 64,646.
इनका click दीजिए, हाँ. Sri Jain, the Learned Counsel, has however submitted that the released amount is actually 2 crore
2 crore
2 comma
2 comma 24
24
comma 29.
that we have written already.
So two different 2 crore 22064,646.
You take instructions properly. There may be some reductions. Okay, some statutory deductions may be there.
My lord,
The admitted amount is 1,91,000. They have filed affidavit.
Equipment, my lord, we have already filed affidavit, my lord. Some amount has been paid, my lord. And outstanding amount is now, my lord, 1,91,000.
You have, which page?
Page, my lord, 47, my lord.
Hmm?
Page 47, my lord. Para 5, my lord. Forty-seven and 48, my lord.
Okay. Heard three S. Singh, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Sri M. Chetia, learned state counsel. Puts the para, considering the subject matter and as agreed to by the learned counsel for the parties, comma, the instant petition is taken up for disposal at the admission stage. Puts the suffice it to mention that the contesting respondent has filed affidavit on 18/6/2026. Para. The matter relates to a claim for higher charges of the vehicle of the petitioner. Full stop. It is projected. No, it is contended that the petitioner, please have your seat, is the registered owner of a vehicle within bracket Bolero bearing registration number 1S, bearing number AS-09 capital D-9090, which was taken on hire by the district administration of the West Karbi Anglong for official duties for the period 1/3/2020 to 31/1/2022. Full stop. The petitioner had accordingly submitted bills totaling to rupees 6,34,664 bracket of 3 As the bills were not paid, the petitioner had approached this court. Para. Seeing the learned counsel has submitted that the bills, that the amount in question are admitted liabilities. Full stop. In this connection, he has submitted that the respondent number 4 in the affidavit, respondent number 5 in the affidavit has admitted the liability. Para. 3 M. Chetia, the learned state counsel, has submitted that upon issuance of notice, the matter was examined and the respondent number 5 has filed the affidavit on 18/6/2026. Full stop. He has submitted that balance amount, that part of the amount has already been paid and there is a balance amount of rupees 1,91,396 bracket of service. The scope of interference / passing of orders by a writ court in a claim for contractual dues is circumscribed. Full stop. Circumscribed. Full stop. This is because of the fact that there are disputed questions of fact. Full stop. However, the Honorable Full Bench in the case of Tamsir Ali versus so-and-so, reported in so-and-so, has laid down certain guidelines in which a writ court may also pass appropriate orders in such petitions. Full stop. For any reference, the guidelines, the principles are extracted here in below. Para. In the present case, the acknowledgement of liability has come in the form of an affidavit filed by the respondent number 5 on 18/6/2026. Full stop. For, huh? 18.6. 18.6 is fine, 18.6, 2026. For any reference, comma, the relevant pleadings are pleadings of the said affidavit are expected herein below paragraph 5, huh? Page 47. After can learn. Dot করে এখানে করে দিলে হলো পেজ 48 or এখানে করে দেখাই লোক para in view of such admission by way of affidavit by the competent authority, this court is of the view that the claim of the petitioner would be covered by the principles and directions passed by the Honorable Full Bench. Para, let the claim of the petitioner accordingly be treated in the aforesaid principles laid down by the Honorable Full Bench by placing his name in the chronological order and release the balance amount in accordance with law. Such release be made expeditiously. In accordance with law to be so expeditiously and in accordance with law. Yes, next.
I think 33.
33.
Other side has filed affidavit. I want some time to.
What is the matter?
Regarding municipal tender.
Regarding?
Tender matter.
Tender. Who's for the
I
other
received
side?
The affidavit only on 15th.
Okay. Heard Sri S. Singh, learned counsel for the petitioner. Para? Para nahoy, who has submitted that the contesting respondents have filed an affidavit on 15/7/2026 to which he would like to rejoin. Put the para. Matter is accordingly adjourned by 4 weeks to enable filing of rejoinder affidavit, full stop, list on 17th of August.
I did 13.
Mr. Khan.
Lordship, here in this case, the petitioner was employed as a skilled worker in the factory of the petitioner. What happened? He filed.
No, that is okay. Mr. Chakraborty is appearing as amicus.
Yes, Lord.
We have this matter for disposal on an agreed date, if it is possible,
Yes.
because the workman was not appearing.
Yes, Lord.
So what was the issue?
Lordship.
You are challenging an award.
Yes, Lord. Here.
Award of?
Award of the labor court, Lord.
No, award regarding what? Directing what?
Directing him to pay 2 months salary.
Payment of 2 months salary.
Labor court held that I attain the age of superannuation, so there is no question of reinstatement. In lieu of
Only 2 months salary you are aggrieved.
Lordship, here, Lordship, question, Lordship, please to see page 68.
68.
Yes, Lordship.
Yes, what is it?
It is a release letter.
Yes.
Dear Mr. So-and-so, we are hereby inform you that we are releasing you from the job with effect from 1/5/2019. We are giving 1 month salary, extra salary in lieu of 1 month's notice period by check number so-and-so, so-and-so. Lordship, on that date, he has attained the age of superannuation. So he cannot work in the factory of the petitioner.
Now, what is the award? What is the award?
Award, Lordship, please to see page 89, operative part.
89.
Yes, Lord.
Which tribunal?
Lordship, this is a presiding of labor court.
Gauhati, 89. Yes. Yes.
Third paragraph.
Yes.
In view of the above discussion, I am of the judicious view that the management company was not justified in terminating the service of the applicant worker. It has been already held that the aforesaid discussion, the workman has already attained the age of superannuation at the time of release on 17/5/2019, which is not correct, Lordship.
he was released on 30th of April 2019, Lordship. From the service of the management company, as such, the management cannot be asked to reinstate him in service. Under the facts and circumstances of the case, I hold that the workman is entitled to 2 months' salary in full in the same rate at the time of his release. The management is directed to pay full wages for the period from 1/5/2019 to 17/5/2019 and 2 months' salary. It is made clear that 1 month's pay that has been given by the management to the workman in lieu of the notice cannot be deducted from the said 2 months full wage of the workman. He is also entitled to get a lump sum of rupees 10,000 in the litigant cost. Lordship, admittedly on 30th of April, on 1/5/2019, he attained the age of superannuation.
1/5/19.
Yes, Lordship. And on that date, he was released from service along with the 1 month advance salary also, Lordship.
No, there is a direction to pay full wages for
2
the
months.
period 1/5/19 to 17/5/19. That is one period, plus 2 months salary.
2 months salary.
So, 1/5/19 to 17/5/19, you say that he attains on 1/5/19.
Yes, Lordship.
Attains superannuation. Do you have a policy that he'll continue till the last date of the month, like the state government?
Lordship, we have exhibited one document.
No, the state government has a policy that if somebody's last date is falls on any date of the month, he will be entitled to the salaries of the entire month and the date of the superannuation.
Because the standing order does not speak about all these things.
So
it says that a person who has attained 60 years, then from the next day he is liable to be released from the service. Lord.
You don't have a policy of allowing him for the.
We have a standing order, Lord. See, we are following that.
That is one part.
Lord.
So even if he is getting the salaries for the month of May 19, what are these 2 months? 2 months, which period?
On 31st of April, on 30th of April, we have given him a release order along with 1 month advance salary also. Lord. That covers the entire month of May.
No, that is in lieu of notice.
Yes, Lordship.
Notice for what?
Because he was released from service. So
on superannuation.
Yes, Lordship. Actually, we are not entitled to pay him anything after.
But superannuation notice, why is it in lieu of? You are not supposed to pay any unless you discharge him before time.
Lordship,
then there may be a condition of paying an amount.
In fact, Lordship, for he's doing service to the industry, so he was paid 1 month salary. Although there is no requirement for legal requirement, Lordship, pay 78.
So these 2 months have been calculated by the learned labor code of which period?
Lordship, period has not been given yet.
Period not given?
No, Lordship.
Then this up till this period up to 1/5/19 to 17/5/19, which this date from where does the labor code
in
get?
my submission also, Lordship, it is not correct. Lordship.
No. From where does the labor code gets these dates 1/5/19 to 17/5/19? There is a clear period 1/5/7/19, 16 days of plus 2 months.
Lordship,
we need to know what is this 2 months
page
about?
86, issue number 5 and 6.
86.
Lordship. Issue number 5 and 6.
Yes.
Issue number 5 and 6, middle.
86.
Yes, Lord.
Issue number
5 and 6.
Yes.
Issue number 6 is dependent on issue number
correct.
Number 5. Therefore, both the issues are being discussed and simultaneously for the sake of convenience and brevity. In view of the discussion and finding issue number 3, it has been already been held that the applicant is a workman as defined under section 2S of the Industrial Dispute Act. The workman has contended that he was released from service by the management on 17/5/2019 by delivering him letter dated 34/2019. On the other hand, the management side contended that the applicant was released from service on 34/2019 without putting date for serving the letter. In support of the respective contention, both the sides adduce evidence. Exhibit 1 is the Xerox copy of the release letter dated 34/2019 produced by MW DW1. Copy of the release letter has been submitted by WW. The Rameshwar Kalita as Exhibit 3. Even the said document are Xerox copy, but admissible in evidence because the release of the workman by the management is not disputed. Only the date of delivery of the letter is disputed. WW Rameshwar Kalita in his affidavit supported by the averment made in his petition wherein he had stated that he was served with the release order only on the evening of 17/5/2019. In his cross examination, he denied the suggestion that he was released on 17/5/2019. Exhibit C proved in original, Exhibit D proved in original are the railway tickets, booking confirmation of the workmen, and the entries in the bank passbook, white SBI account number so and so Tinsukia branch. From the scrutiny of the Exhibit C, it appears that the computer operators Santanu Bhanj of the management company booked the railway tickets for the workman Rameshwar for his journey from Gauhati to Tinsukia on 19/5/2019. Further, the scrutiny of Exhibit D proves that the amount of rupees 49,793 was deposited against the aforesaid bank account number so and so on 18/5/2019, though through an NEFT from Axis Bank by the management side. The above facts prove that the management in fact released the workman applicant on the evening of 17/5/2019, for which 1 month pay was credited as above in lie of the notice of the management on 18/5/2019. It appears that the authorized persons of the company management did not purposefully put the date below his signature in Exhibit 1, and accordingly it has been proved that the DW1 Rameshwar Kalita was released from service of the evening of 17/5/2019. And management side failed to adduce evidence that Exhibit 1 release order was served on management WW1 on 13/4/2019. Therefore, the applicant is entitled to full wages with effect from 1/5/2019 to 17/5/2019. This is the reason, Lordship, 17 days salary was given to the respondent number 1.
What are the issue?
Issue, Lordship, page 82. Page 82 below. Whether the case is maintainable or not, whether the case is paid for non-joinder of necessary party, whether the applicant
Non-joinder.
whether the applicant falls under the category of workmen.
No. Where is the reference?
Lordship 2A. 2A, Lordship.
Oh, it's a 2A.
Yes, sir.
Not reference framed by the government.
Lordship.
Oh, he approached on individual capacity.
Individual.
2A regarding what? What was his grievance?
His grievance was that he was released prematurely.
Whether the management terminating. Oh, he said that I was unauthorizedly terminated. And the management took a plea that he was not unauthorizedly terminated. He had attained the age of superannuation. Now, the learned tribunal had accepted your plea.
Yes, sir.
That he had in fact
attained the age of
superannuation, but there was delay in
serving the letter.
notice. So in that case, if that is admitted, say 2 months salary.
Lordship, we are not against the respondent to pay more amount to him. But whether, Lordship, we are challenging the finding of the tribunal.
No, that is what we are concerned with your case. If the labor code accepts your contention that the workman had attained the age of superannuation, but come to a finding that there is some delay in serving the notice. So at best, this 17 days salary, if at all, that is one part. But once superannuation is accepted, then directing payment of 2 months' salary,
Is also-
will it be justified?
It is not justified.
Lordship. May I submit, Lordship? This.
We will come back at 2 o'clock.
Lordship.
Interesting case.
Lots.
Amount is not material,
Not-
but
But Lordship, we have.
Superannuation has been coined later on. The management was enlightened by the workmen.
but that has come on record.
Yes.
Only for that workmen has not challenged that part.
That we have to go strictly what is there before us.
Lord.
Okay, we'll come at 2
Lord.
o'clock.
Came to know from my learned friend, the response number 2, maybe no more in this one, Lordship. Probably. He may take
Lordship,
the
sometime maybe granted us, so we will confirm. We'll confirm whether he is alive or not.
Is it? That is why probably he's not, there is no contest.
In 23 Lordship, he was there, but after 3 years, Lordship.
Oh, from where did you get the information?
Lordship, I think with some other employees. They said probably he's.
Can we have this day after tomorrow?
Lordship, but 10 days time will be back. Because now.
Next Monday?
Lordship.
Okay, okay. Heard Sri S.C. Kyle, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Sri S. Chakraborty, learned amicus curiae for the workmen. Full stop. During the course of deliberation, Sri Kyle, the learned counsel, has submitted that he has some unverified reports, unverified information that the respondent workmen may not be alive as on today. Full stop. Para? He accordingly prays for some time to have the appropriate instructions, concrete instructions. Para? In the interest of justice, matter is adjourned. To be listed on 27th of July.
28.
28.
Much of.
Yes.
I have been start to be just now because.
Missing autonomous.
Yes.
You appear for missing autonomous. Can I have it tomorrow?
I have already.
I got it.
Tomorrow or day after?
My lord. After tomorrow, my
Day
lord.
after tomorrow. Okay.
In the meantime, he may take instruction.
That is it.
Whatever you said.
Heard Sri Ann Bora, learned
Exactly.
counsel for the petitioner. Para? Sri J. Payang, learned standing counsel MSc, has however submitted that he has been served copies only today and seeks some accommodation. Para? Sri Ardhar, learned standing counsel, WPT and BC. Standing counsel tribal affairs is present. Para? List for motion on 22nd of July 2026.
Item 24.
Heard Sri M. Hawk, learned counsel for the petitioner. Para, Miss D. S. Neog, learned standing counsel irrigation, has however submitted that the affidavit has been prepared and would be filed shortly. You are for whom? Sri N. R. Surana, learned counsel for respondent number 6, is present, who has submitted that affidavit in opposition has been filed by his client on 6/6/2026. Para. In view of the above, matter is adjourned to be listed on the 31st of July to enable filing of affidavit in opposition. Mr. Singh, you are for whom? 5, you will file affidavit? No. Sri S. Singh, learned counsel is present for the respondent of 5. Who is 5?
Private respondent.
Private. And you? In matter relating to
Award of contract, madam.
award of contract.
Yes, madam.
He or the successful bidder.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Petitioners, madam.
You need to have the records also, madam. If it's pertaining to award of a contract, we would
Yes,
like
yes,
to
record is
see the
necessary.
records.
Yes.
On the records pertaining to the case may also be procured by the Learned Standing Council.
Right.
Please, your lordship. Instead of my lord, we have sent the approval for vetting, my lord.
Okay. What is your name?
Arsha.
Heard Sri R. Sahal, Learned Counsel for the petitioners, para. Sri M. Chetia, Learned State Council, however, submits that the affidavit in opposition has been prepared and sent for vetting. For he accordingly prays for and is granted 2 weeks time to file the same para list on 10th of August. On 7th of August, 2026.
7th of August.
136.
May I please, your lordship. Lordship, new cause of action has been arisen, so the appeal has been disposed of, and the drag license has been cancelled later on.
Okay. You'd like to challenge that?
Yes.
Sri B.M. Dekar, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, has submitted that during the pendency of this writ petition, the drug license has been cancelled. Full stop. He accordingly submits that instead of pressing this petition, he would be challenging the final decision of cancellation. Para. Also heard Miss D. Bora, Learned Standing Council Health Department. Para. Health Department, who submits that affidavit in opposition was filed on 25/2026. Para. In view of the aforesaid development and submissions advanced on behalf of the petitioner, writ petition is dismissed on withdrawal with liberty to challenge the final order in accordance with law.
Much obliged. Okay, sir.
137.
Yes, 37.
In this case, we have filed I for implement.
Implement.
Yes, madam.
I listed, not
Yes,
listed.
Listed. I number.
2350.
Yes, yes.
Yes, madam.
Lordship, we would like to file an objection to that.
Objection and implement. Why?
Lordship, they are
Yeah.
not the necessary parties, Lordship. Maybe
We are the necessary parties because, my lord, on the basis of our complaint, my lord, their license has been suspended.
What license?
IMFL of supplies.
You are the complainants.
Yes, lord. The district commissioner has.
Oh, they may be
Kindly
necessary
manage to
parties.
Case number 31, lordship. Case number of our IA, lordship.
If you are very serious in filing the objection, madam, I grant you time. Otherwise, your objection will not be sustainable.
Lordship,
We just give them an opportunity of hearing. Doesn't mean that if you have merits, still your case will be dismissed. You can still succeed.
Lordship, we would like to file an objection, Lordship. 2 weeks time.
On behalf of the standing council and site department, we just received instructions. Just need 10 days of time, 10 days of time to effectively find the action.
In the writ petition,
Yeah.
you can file an affidavit. We are deciding the IA. Okay. Heard Sri D. Gogoi, Learned Counsel for the applicants who by means of this application are seeking implement in the connected WPC. So, WPC 2965 of 2026. Para. Miss D. Mahanta, Learned Counsel for the opposite party. Number one. How many opposite party number one within bracket writ petitioner? However, prays for time to file objection by contending that the applicants are not necessary parties. Full stop. Para. Sri Sharma. Sri S. Sharma, Learned Counsel, representing the Excise Department, prays for time to file affidavit in the writ petition. Para. Accordingly, both the IA and the writ petition are adjourned by two weeks to enable filing of objection and affidavit as mentioned above. Do it order separately. Do it order. Okay, Mariba. Do it Mariba. One over the list on. Can I order? List on, yes, madam, 2 weeks. Today is 27th and 3rd. We'll have it on 7th of August.
7th August.
You get sufficient time, okay?
Lordship. Lordship, there is an interim order.
Interim order is not in the eye. We are not, okay. are you
It's a
fine?
writ petition, Lordship.
Interim order passed earlier in the writ petition. Stands extended till the next date of listing.
Much obliged.
Deeply obliged. Excellent. Dr. Todi, what is this?
Lordship, notice was issued this matter, yet to file the response in this particular
CGC?
subsidy matter.
Mr. Chetia?
I'm appealing for my response 2 to 5, my lord. We have received a copy on 13/7, my lord. We have.
And what about CGC? What about CGC? Central government? Mr. S.S. Roy? Mr. Dr. Todi, are they also necessary parties? I mean, in the contesting parties, will their stand is also required.
Lordship, they have to release the fund.
Union, man.
So both of the stand of both the parties are required.
Yes, Lordship.
CGC, yes, what about this matter?
K. Gogoi appeared on last.
Item number 38.
Instruction.
Yes, heard Dr. A to D, learned counsel for the petitioner. Para. Notice was issued on 15/6/2026. Para. 3. M. Chetia, learned state counsel, has however informed that extra copies were served only recently, and accordingly he prays for time to seek instructions and file affidavit in opposition. Para. Similar prayer is also made by Sri S. Kakoti, learned CGC. Para. Matter accordingly stands adjourned by 4 weeks to be listed on 21st of August, by which time affidavit is required to be filed.
Much obliged.
Yes, Mr. Mohan.
Sir, last occasion, government advocate is supposed to take instruction.
Mr. Nayak, AG. Mr. Chaudhary would appear.
Yes, my lord. Today, just now, I have received instruction. I pray for some more time.
Okay. Part 3N Burman, learned counsel for the petitioner. Para. 3B Chaudhary, learned standing counsel. Public Works
Yes.
Department has submitted that instructions have been received recently, and he accordingly prays for time to file the affidavit in opposition. Para. Matter accordingly stands adjourned to be listed after 4 weeks to enable filing of affidavit in opposition. Para. List on 21st of August, 2026.
26.
Mr. Ahmed, J. Ahmed. None appears for the petitioner on call, whereas the state is represented. Who is to? Public Works, where is Mr. Chaudhary? Whereas the Public Works Department is represented by Sri B. Chaudhary, and which department? Revenue Department. And Revenue Department is represented by Sri J. Handik. Para. Even on the last occasion, that is 14/7/2026, there was no representation on behalf of the petitioner. Para. Be that as it may, and in the interest of justice, a further opportunity is granted to the petitioner to make representation, failing which this court would pass appropriate orders para list on Friday. Para kore. Date Friday 24th.
May pleasure. In this case, my lord, as per my instruction, the petitioner received 4 lakhs depart payment, my lord, out of 9,22,000. And remaining amount will be released in the month of August, my lord,
Okay.
as per the instruction. So that
Three-
may be a couple.
Item number 40.
Yes, my lord.
Your A Boro.
Eboro, yes, my lord.
3A Boro Learned Counsel for the petitioner has submitted that there are developments towards compliance of the order in question. And he accordingly prays for some time to get updated instructions. Matter accordingly is adjourned to be listed on 24th of August 2026.
Deeply aware.
Well, kindly peruse the office note dated 19/6/2026.
Unserved notice on R3.
Yes, my lord.
Who's R3? Have you appeared? R3? Okay. What about R3? Who's R3?
Well, R3 was newly implemented Commissioner and Secretary, General Administration Department. What had happened in this case, my lord, in the writ proceeding, he was not the party. Because the respondent number 1 and 2 written a letter to the Administration Department to release the amount supposed to be paid to the petitioner, my lord. But after getting this letter, the respondent number 3 is sitting over the matter. Then I have filed an interlocutory application to implement.
But unserved notice returned back. Newly implemented R3 with postal note addressee left.
Left.
So further change.
Further change.
Yes. During election, there are so many promotions and transfers.
In view of the office note dated 19/6/2026, 3 J Islam Learned Counsel for the petitioner prays for and is granted 4 weeks time to take appropriate instructions and consequent steps for implement of the present incumbent, if so advised. List after 4 weeks.
Yes.
First you verify whether there is a change.
Yes,
Our
yes.
office note may not be correct.
Yes.
If there is no change, you can pursue.
Yes.
If there is a change, you can take
Then
steps.
I will file an
Okay,
application.
yes.
Much.
Mr. Ghosh,
Yes, my lord, we are supposed to bring the instruction, my lord, regarding the release of the funds.
instructions obtained.
Lordship, regarding this matter, may give me 1 week time, Lordship, we will obtain our instructions. Because according to the last order, it was actually stated that we will place it in the budget session. I would like to obtain instructions as to what is the status regarding this sanctioning of the financial proposals.
Detail
No, no.
order was there, my lord, in
Your
27.
submission is not very convincing, Mr. Bhuya. Matter is pending since long and there are orders
Yes.
that you have to take effective steps for disbursement.
Yes.
Okay. Nonetheless, we sometime we grant. R3 BJ, Mr. Deka for two. Heard Sri BJ Ghus, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Full stop. Also heard Miss M. Bhuya, Sri M. Bhuya, Learned Counsel for the
I am appearing for the Director of Health Services.
Actually, my lord, Mr. B. Gogoi appeared for all the respondent under at the request of this
M.
honorable.
M. Bhuya, Learned Counsel appearing for the officers of the which department? Health Department. Health Department. Whereas Sri D. Deka is present for the respondent number 2. Not Health Department, Finance Department. But Ashok Babu, you are appearing. If Ashok Babu, and we have the Learned Council and Sri Learned Council and Sri Direka Learned Council for the respondents. Para? We have the Learned Council praised for and is granted 2 weeks time to obtain updated instructions. Full stop. We give a date, Mr. Ghosh.
Yes, Lordship.
List on 5th of August. You get sufficient time
Yes,
to
sir.
have the instructions.
I'm not sure.
Wait, please, your lordship. May the matter be passed over for the time being because sir is in another courtroom.
Time being,
Time being.
consider for waiting. Affidavit filed or not?
I look, yes, file already.
You have filed
Today.
today.
Yes, ma'am.
Uh,
This matter may be taken up in your
okay. What is your name?
VK, appearing on behalf of.
Okay. 3V Keshav. Learned Council appearing on instruction of Sri RM Das, Learned Standing Council for Respondent, has submitted that the affidavit in opposition has been filed today. Full stop. Let the affidavit be tagged with the records and the matter be listed after a week.
Highly obliged.
45.
May I please, your lordship?
Mr. Mola,
My lord,
complied? Yes, complied.
complaint, my lord, I do not know because the order, my lord, says that, my lord, the petitioners and all other parties involved, they should be, my lord, allowed to participate in the process.
Don't see the order.
My lord, page, my lord, 17 of my contempt petition.
It is government orders that in terms of clause 15 of the executive instructions dated 25/20/25, the settlement of the aforesaid markets shall be undertaken by the Kamakhya Bari Anchalik Panchayat strictly in accordance with law.
No, that was not the case. Case was, my lord, there is a between two panchayats, my lord, Romari GP and Ramhuriswar Khandkhwa GP. There is a, my lord, dispute regarding their jurisdictional, my lord, territorial jurisdiction.
That is why the Kamakhya Bari Anchalik Panchayat, under which both the Gaon Panchayats are there, have been directed to do the exercise.
My lord, I'm not clear.
Falls under the Panchayat.
Falls under two Gaon Panchayats. Market.
Section 135 meters.
I don't think yes, sir.
Clause 15 says that if it falls under two Gaon Panchayat and there is a dispute, the Anchalik Panchayat will take the call.
No, that is correct, my lord.
That is what has been
But actually, as per this order, my lord, page paragraph 14 of page 17, all parties, my lord, interested, they should be, my lord, allowed to participate in the process.
Obviously, unless the process is taken up, how do you participate? They have directed for taking up the process by the Kamakhya Bari Anchalik Panchayat under clause 15, as there is a dispute between two Gaon Panchayats.
In our case, my lord, that there was no dispute, my lord. That was the case.
No, this order has been passed by the secretary after taking into consideration the disputes between in the matter of settlement, and the dispute was between the Romari daily market, Romari weekly market, Romari cattle market over a contiguous area spreading across two Gaon Panchayats.
My lord, may
Let
I
us see
pray?
your order.
May I pray?
Let us see the
My
order.
lord, page 17, my lord. Page 17, para 14, my lord.
Also, there are 13 lordship.
And 13 also, it starts from 13. 13, my lord, says about section 135. 14 is here, my lord. Page 17.
Then which paragraph?
Paragraph, my lord, 14, my lord. petitioner was the GP president, my lord, and he was not called.
Just a minute. There is a dispute, Mr. Why aren't you fair in correcting the facts? You should be fair in projecting the facts. Read paragraph 4. What is your dispute in the writ petition? Paragraph 4 of the judgment. Petitioner Gau Panchayat is within the territorial jurisdiction of Kamakhyabari Anchalik Panchayat. There is another Gau Panchayat, Ramharir Char Khankhona Gau Panchayat within the jurisdiction of Kamakhyabari. It is the case of the petitioner Gau Panchayat. The three markets were being run under the aegis of the petitioner Gau Panchayat in the areas of the three. That is your case, that these markets fall. The government has taken a call and said that since it falls under the Kamakhya Anchalik Panchayat, they will organize the. So,
No, that is there, my lord. If it falls within two Gau Panchayats, then it is the Anchalik Panchayat.
that is the finding.
But
how are you prejudiced?
But as circle officer, my lord, he.
How are you prejudiced?
I was not there, my lord. But my presence should have been there, my lord. No officer, my lord, made a field visit, my lord.
You can challenge this order if you want. Heard.
My lord, may pray on thing, my lord.
We are not having this.
In the meantime, I will go through this order, my lord. One date, my lord.
We are not having this pending. Heard Sri AFNU Mullah Learned Counsel for the petitioner who is aggrieved or who has alleged willful and deliberate disobedience of an order dated 18/2/2026 passed in WPC 885 of 2026. Full stop. Para. Ms. P. Thapa, Learned Counsel appearing for the respondent, has, however, placed before this court copy of an order dated 15/7/2026 passed by the department in pursuant to the aforesaid order of this court. Full stop. Why the said order dated 15/7/2026, since it is noticed that the three markets in question are spread over a contiguous area concerning two Gau Panchayats, namely Romari Gau Panchayat, within bracket covered by DAG number 380 of government land, and Ram Harir Char Khankhwa Gau Panchayat, partly covered by DAG number so and so, comma, by applying clause 15 of the government executive order dated 10/5/2025, comma, it was directed that the settlement of the aforesaid markets be undertaken by the Kamakhyabari Anchalik Panchayat, under which both the Gau Panchayats exist. Full stop. In the opinion of this court, comma, the aforesaid order would amount to substantial compliance of the order dated 18/2/2026 passed by this court. Para. Contempt petition is accordingly stands closed, comma. It is needless to mention that any person aggrieved by the said order would be at liberty to challenge the same in an appropriate proceeding. Para. Copy of the order dated 15/7/2026 is made part of the records.
But a copy may be given to me also.
Give him a copy. Huh? On behalf of S. Doctor. Please give him a copy.
Obligement. Deeply obliged.
46.
Okay. Heard Sri D. Gogoi, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Para. Sri S. Bora, Learned Counsel, submits that he has instructions to appear on behalf of the sole respondent and accordingly prays for time to file the affidavit in opposition. Para. Matter is accordingly adjourned to be listed after 4 weeks to enable filing of power as well as the affidavit in opposition. Para. List on 24th of August.
May I please lodge? In this case, we have taken the steps both in both way, my lord. For speed post as well as for dusty mode, my lord. We also filed the dusty affidavit.
What is your dusty?
Yes, my lord. We have, as per the order, last order, my lord, we have taken the steps for dusty mode, my lord. The annexure A, page number 29, my lord.
But it was not received by him.
It's not, but his officers, my lord, as per his.
It's a contempt matter. It's got penal consequence.
Yes, sir.
Anyone else receiving will not be sufficient.
Otherwise, my lord, service was awaited, man. The unserved notice was not returned.
Why don't you request your colleague who appears for the public health engineering regarding this matter? Unofficially, you make a request. If the respondent is informed, then probably through them, there may be an appearance. Right, heard Sri C. Chakraborty, learned counsel for the petitioner, who submits that notice was issued on 22/5/2026, pursuant to which steps by speed post as well as dusty were taken. He has also drawn the attention of this court to the affidavit dated 18/6/2026, filed in connection with the dusty service. On a perusal of the affidavit, it appears that the notice due received was not by the respondent, but by
Senior assistant.
one senior assistant of the Public Health Department, Hangrabari. Para. Since the consequence in a contempt proceeding are penal in nature, such receipt may not be held to be a proper service. On the other hand, neither the AD card has also neither the AD card nor unserved notice pursuant to the steps taken by speed post have returned back. Let the matter according to stage adjourned to be listed on 10th of August, by which date, a fresh report on service is to be furnished by the office.
Item 48.
IA4.
IA4, my lord, striking of the name of the respondent number 4. The petitioner were supposed to file their objection. Here the notice was issued time.
My lords, we seek some time for filing the written objection.
Okay. How much time, madam?
My lords, 4 weeks.
4
if
weeks is,
possible.
we have granted time on
My lord,
8/6.
We are awaiting signed affidavits. That's why.
4 weeks, we cannot grant, we will grant you some time, but not 4 weeks. 8/6, we are already granted time, and we are more than a month. Heard Sri B.K. Singh, learned counsel for the applicant. Your name?
U. Bihani Lordship, on behalf of contending counsel D. Rathi.
U.B.
U. Bihani, on
U.
behalf of D. Rathi.
Miss U. Bihani, learned counsel, appearing on instruction of Sri
D. Rathi Lordship.
D. Rathi, however, renews her prayer for the grant of time to file objections. Para? As time was already granted, comma, already granted earlier, comma, this court reluctantly grants further 3 weeks time
Much
to file the
obliged.
objection. Full stop. List on 14th of, not 14th, it granted more, 17th of August. You file it before that.
Lordship.
Can it be on 18th of August?
Not 18th. 18th is a Tuesday again. 19th of August. You almost get 4 weeks.
Great.
Obliged.
49.
May I please, your lordship? I
Yes.
have taken a stay of your lordship. And as per in the last occasion, the respondent number 124,
Yes, here for
For health department, yes.
1 to 4. Who was 5?
5 is the register of Sriman
Register of
Shankar.
5.
Regarding respondent number 5, I have taken a stay here.
No, your friend is saying that he can take notice there if it's Register of Simanta Sanko, I think you can take. Do office note dated 16/7/2026 is on the aspect of service of notice upon the respondent number 5 pursuant to steps taken by the petitioner in terms of the order dated 8/6/2026, Sri M. Bhuya, learned counsel, has submitted that he would accept notice on behalf of the respondent number 5 also. Para. Services accordingly complete. Para. On the prayer of Sri Bhuya, the learned counsel, matter is adjourned by 4 weeks to enable filing of affidavit in opposition. List on 19th of August 2026. Correct.
50.
Yes, madam.
May I please, your lordship? Your lordship, as per office note dated 16/7/2026, service report is awaited, your lordship.
7. From the office note dated 16/7/2026, it appears that notices were dispatched to the respondent number 5 by speed post only on the said date. Full stop. Considering the above, matter is adjourned. Said date, and therefore service report was under process. Was awaited. Full stop. Para. In view of the above, matter is adjourned to be listed after 3 weeks for updated service report. Para. List on 10th of August.
Your lordship, much obliged.
51.
Yeah, my lord, petition before lordship,
Mr. Rahman.
my lord, petition before lordship is a lessee of my lord, Galasinga Min Mahal, my lord, for 7 years.
Notice
But
was issued.
Notice is already issued, my lord.
Yes.
But on the last of your lordship also
Mr.
directed the
Chetri?
state council to.
Yes, Lordship. He has filed representation before respondent number 3, and his grievance is also to dispose the representation by respondent number 3. This in his prayer itself.
The last of your lordship, director state council taking instruction what steps have been taken in terms of the application filed by the petitioner.
What instructions do you have?
No,
Mr. Chetri?
but we are not responding number 3, Lordship. I will put number 3.
Hmm.
We are waiting for the instruction.
On the other hand, my lord, as per instruction of client, my lord, on 30 June, and hearing has already been done by the respondent of 4, my lord. So what
Okay,
outcome would
how
be?
3B Rahman, learned counsel for the petitioner, para. 3 M Chetia, learned state counsel, prays for some time to enable him to obtain the instructions, para. 3 R Chetri, learned counsel is present for the fisheries department, para. Matter is accordingly, AFDC or fishery?
Yep.
Both, fishery oblique AFDC, fisheries department oblique AFDC. AFDC पहले लिखो, AFDC oblique fisheries department आ जाएगा ना, para. Matter is accordingly adjourned to be listed on when? Listed on? On 10th, you get the instructions.
My lord, so in this case, my lord, the AFDC is saying that they have nothing to do. So it is to be adjudicated by respondent 4, my lord. That is the co-district commissioner.
Chetia would
There.
be, M Chetia would have said.
My lord.
Date we have given? 10 August.